Muter. Lagi gocek bola.
Oh, gocek bola, juggling coy. Oh, tuh ke mukanya Amel.
Hi guys, welcome back to
Step by Step ID. Woo!
Wah, ya. Hari ini kita bakal ngasih tutorial yang lagi happening banget karena sekarang adalah musim Piala Dunia
2022 Qatar. Woo!
Tapi tutorial ini bakal beda karena kan biasanya kita pakai bahasa Indonesia.
Ya.
Karena World Cup itu kan seluruh dunia ya yang nonton. Mungkin banyak yang mau belajar juga dari luar negeri gitu ngelihat tutorial ini. So we're gonna be switching into English. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so today the tutorial will be in English and there will be 2 parts. The first part is gonna be the chorus part.
First chorus.
Yeah, the first chorus, and the second one is gonna be the dance break. Okay?
Okay.
By the way, JungKook is really amazing. I love you, JungKook. And you're gonna be explaining the first part.
The first part. Okay, first chorus. Let's go. This video is already mirror. Okay, this is left and this right. Okay, first move. We're gonna be doing 2 pushes, up and middle. Okay, up and middle. Left first. Okay. Push and push. Push and push. Okay? Again. Push and push. Push and push. Got it? Okay, at the leg. Step and open up. Step and open up. We're gonna combine hands and legs. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step and open up. Step and open up. Okay, get it? We're gonna continue to next part and slow. Your hands is gonna be like this, okay? Slow. And your right foot is gonna be step back, okay? Step. Slow mo. After that, we're gonna be doing this. 1 and 2. Right and left. Okay? 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay? Okay, next part. 7, 8. Roll in, and your body is gonna wave from down to up. Like this, okay? Like this. And your hands is gonna be roll in. Okay. Roll in. And at the end, make a pose like this of your hand. Okay. Wave, wave. From right to left. Okay. Wave. Roll in. Hop. Wave. One more time. Roll in and wave. Okay, after this, nod first. Nod 1 time. And then step right first, okay? Right foot first. Step, step, and right. Your hand is gonna pull up, okay? Right and left. Okay? We're gonna repeat 1 more time. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Push, 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 push. Slow-mo. Swipe, swipe. Roll in, wave and nod. Step, step, pull up, pull up. Okay? If you watch JungKook's video, there are like 2 parts, but the same, okay? Like what I taught you before. So now we're gonna do it with slow-mo. Okay, I will hand it out the next part to Natya Shina.
Thank you, Mr. Rendy, for the explanation. And now I'm gonna be explaining the dance break part, which is my favorite part. It's actually more difficult, guys, than the chorus, but the moves are not so different. Basically, it's the same, but it just needs more jumping, okay? So you have to prepare. We're gonna be doing some energetic moves, and we're gonna burn some calories. Yay! Let's start with this step. But we're not just gonna be stepping, we're gonna be jumping, okay? 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, we're gonna go right and then left first. Jump, 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 jump. And the leg is gonna be open, 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 open. And then we're gonna be step, step. Stay in the middle and swipe, swipe. The swipe is not just gonna be like this, but you need to jump. Swipe, swipe. And then roll, hop. And then when you land, your arms is already straight like this. And then you do pose, pose. You can do whatever pose you want, okay? Roll, hop, pose. And after that, we're going low. We're gonna do bounce, bouncing. When you bounce to the right, your arms is gonna be wide open, okay? Bounce, low, and then stay, okay? Bounce, stay, and we're gonna step again, right, left, right, just twice. Okay, that was the first part. I'm gonna repeat it again from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step, step, swipe, swipe, roll, stay, pose. Let's continue. Second part. This is my favorite moves because JungKook looks very cool when he does this move. I'm sorry if I'm not as cool as him. I'm trying. We're gonna be starting with the right foot, stepping, and then twist the hips, and then stay. Okay? So, step, stay. From here, it's gonna be a little dramatic moment when you twist your body a little bit, okay, like this. Step, stay, okay? Step, stay. And then your right foot is gonna be sliding to the back, and then stay. But the hands is gonna be doing this very quick gesture, 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. After this, we're gonna move forward, 1 and 2. But the hands, the right hand is gonna be make waves twice, and then the left shoulder is gonna be move and move, okay? So it's gonna be like boom, boom. Okay. And then kick, step back, right kick, step back, and then open your arms and move back, and then roll your body twice. 1, 2. And this is the final movement. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, single, single, double. Okay. I think I have to repeat it again from the second part, okay? Step and twist. Slide back, move, move, kick and down, up, roll. Twice. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was it. Now let's try with the slow speed music.
Okay guys, that was it.
Yeah, that was the tutorial of FIFA World Cup 2022.
Official song Dreamers performed by JungKook and Fahad.
Kubaisi. That was an amazing performance. We really love the song and the dance. I hope you guys can learn from this tutorial. And please comment who are you guys rooting for in World Cup 2022.
What's yours?
Germany.
Yeah, same with me.
It's always been Germany since 2002.
You are following me.
No.
Yes.
I haven't known you in 2002, but I've been supporting Germany
Me too.
ever since I born.
Because of Oliver Kahn,
Oh, for me,
the legendary goalkeeper.
for me as a girl back then, I fell in love with Miroslav Klose.
One of the best striker German had.
He's not playing again,
He's
right?
retired.
He's retiring. Okay. Who are you guys rooting for in World Cup 2022? Please comment down below. And yeah, hope you enjoy World Cup 2022 and always streaming this song because it is performed and sang by our lovely JungKook from BTS. Bye-bye guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Please
Yeah,
subscribe and turn on
like.
the notification button so you guys know when we upload a new video. Bye-bye.
Der Panzer,
JungKook!
JungKook.
JungKook!
Panzer.